something break. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish and my girl Allie, as you guys always know. Thank you for tuning into this video. We are gonna be tearing away at the daily yet again. We had to pull out the carpet because we've been dealing with water leaking, and especially after Hurricane Debbie decided to pull through. I had seen that there was more water leakage because I had the car jacked up because we were dealing with the whole power steering thing in the last video. Put the car down and a bunch of water leaked out from the trunk area. It was somewhere sitting. There was somewhere in a spare tire. Then there was way more water underneath the carpet in the driver's side, and then I have the water drippage from right here too. And like I said in like 3 past videos, you know, something about all the 04 issues and all the water leaking. Yeah, I think it's starting to catch up to me just a little bit. Let's just start pulling away things. Happy Sunday, y'all. It's honestly not too bad to take out the carpet. There's like 9 steps to it, 10 steps, something like that.
So step 1, armrest.
Yeah, take this out. Pull this out, be gentle, pull around. If you gotta use one of these things to help you get some grippage or something, do that. There's clips, you're gonna feel and hear it, you know, pop out. Be a little gentle. Make sure you guys disconnect all your plugs. There's like 3 different plugs underneath here, just 2 at least for now.
The seat warmers.
The seat warmers, and then you don't have to take off any of this, more so just the armrest because it's what sits on top of the carpet, and then you're able to yank it out. So you got your cup holder out, you got this little mat out from the armrest thing. Now you get your Phillips, you start taking these things out.
You also have these 2 screws right here to remove.
Those 2, these 2. Then you got the ones in there. There's actually 2 more underneath here.
Nice to know.
Make sure you take off the clip. This has been messed with because there's 1 screw missing from that side, and obviously I don't expect things not to be messed with this car.
2004,
yeah, 2004, 200,000 miles, like things are gonna be touched. To make things easier for myself now, I'm just gonna remove the seats, front 2, and then all you have to do is remove the lower half of the rear seat, and that should be it for the seat wise. 14 mils, 14 mils. 2 on the front. Just a girl. See, she be wrenching on my cars, man. And her cars too. Yo, I fucked myself up. My back, my rib cage, my back, mid back. Got me fucked up. I got a patch on right now. Want to pull on this, and boom, here.
I'm trying to teach myself as you doing it. I don't very.
You pull on this white thing, pull up.
Pull up on it?
Yeah, it's like a slot. Boom. Learning from Rish. You see that? And then the gray one is self-explanatory. Push down and just pull. You can pull on it by the black wire if you need to a little bit.
See? Half the time cut off.
Look at that.
Get you a girlfriend.
Get y'all a lady who knows how to do this. Yeah. Bra, bra, bra.
On the ground right here.
Yeah. That's why you gotta go to the gym with your girl, because she'll be able to squat more than you can, type shit. So we got that big portion out. Ew, it's a worm. Say that's a low main that I dropped. So you just pull up and it kind of clips off.
Oh. You may have gone through some shit that we didn't know.
Okay, y'all. Not too sure what the hell's going on there, y'all. Not too sure. Some fucking gaba goo over there, bro. Some gaba fucking goo. What the fuck is this? Ew. Damn, am I gonna have to put in some new sound editing of this shit too? Because I have a lot left over. Yeah, so let me clean this up really quick. Get probably the vacuum.
So for this side, you have to take off the seatbelt little spot right here. It's under this cover. And what are you doing?
So I'm just removing the shifter bolts here because you're able to pull it out, finagle it out at some point from just yanking, or you can make slits and stuff, and that's kind of like what I did last time because everything kind of gets hidden anyway, and it is 2004. All right, y'all, to help me snake out this whole wire and stuff, and while I'm doing this carpet thing, I just went ahead and took out these cubbies so I could go ahead and go in here and take out these amp plugs and shit like that. Get that disconnected from right there and then snake it out. So it's just free. All this is free. Yo, it is getting hot. Please order some Buffalo Wild Wings. Honestly, they're not too shabby. They're not too shabby. They got a little deal going on, so you get some free wings and shit. I had them years ago back in Connecticut. They were all right, and then like the wings ended up coming out a little smaller, but now they're looking kind of right. And last time I had them, they were pretty good. So we're getting some more. I adopted this little homie. Yeah, buddy.
Maybe give us some water.
This be my homie, bro. It's hot, bro. Maybe he wants some water. You want some water, dog?
You gotta be the new Florida man.
She put it up the canopy, y'all.
Oh yeah, because it's getting hot. That Florida sun.
Got the canopy set up, y'all. Took a wing break. Oh, wow.
Ouch.
Ow. Itis and everything, man. I'm just kind of cooked from this heat, bro. Another step in this, I mean, you kind of have to just get all those interior bits out, or the carpet over, whatever you don't feel like taking out, like these little panels like I did over here. And you're gonna have to come and take this thing out, which I just did a lot of prying with this thing, and you kind of just hear clips popping. And yeah, and I guess the hardest part is this one, which it was for me too the last time I did it, but that was due to like not exactly knowing how that pops up. But there's like a clip behind here, and then you have to like pull straight up on this, so we'll see how that goes. Because you see how that separates, so you just pull on the clip. Liquid IV here, stay hydrated, because oof. We got that popped off. Now let's see how we go about this. So yeah, you feel back here, you see my finger? It's pressing down right now on like a clip. Press it down and then pry up. That's scary, y'all. Because I wasn't looking, but I was just, come on, come on. And it finally gave. But you're like, oh, did something break? Nope. It's a good thing. I mean, this is the fucking gas pedal, so I don't need nothing breaking. So I could always just clip that back in, because we're gonna have to do without the carpet. Nerve-wracking discoveries. Look at all that. Look at all that fluid, y'all. The rack and pinion area. Yikes. That's not good. Now we're just gonna clear everything out of our way and then try to start pulling her out, you know? Get this thing out of here. That portion of sound deadening is a little mush because of whatever all that nastiness was sitting. It's gonna need nice cleaning, so I don't know about the sound deadening portion. MVP. Like, she's the keeper. Either you want to take off these panels, which I don't know if I feel like it, so right now I'm gonna try to maneuver around, but it'd probably easier if I just took it off. You just kind of want to get this underneath all the plastics of whatever you can and start yanking at this thing, because they also have all these little white clips around. So we got things pulling out. I made a slit here and there because honestly I don't give a might maybe have to do more depending on this section. A nice crooked cut. Fuck! But yes.
Yes, this is what we wanted.
Forever hidden. And now we just pull it out
And then he's gonna reinstall this.
Yes. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we start pulling all this shit. Bless. Sorry, y'all. Got the carpet out. Wasn't too bad, but you could see the water that's somehow sitting around, getting in here. So we got a bit of a cleanup to do. Look, the lost 10 mil, bro. My girl was right. I thought it was gonna be a 12, but no, it is a 10. Seen a nice thick ass palmetto. That was kind of scary. That's what I was like fearful of. Anytime you're lifting something unknown or whatever, I'm like, yeah, hopefully it's not like a big ass spider, but like, you know, something crazy. But some of the sound editing is definitely, it's tricky. It's tricky to think of what to do, and then you see the leakage. Oh my god, dude, because it's like leaking from the rack and pinion area too, bro. I don't wanna. We gotta get the scrubbing and shit. So I'll get back to y'all. Y'all, just like in that TSX when I had to pull the interior, that one was a lot worse with this shit being gunky. Oil sludge. Like that in a sense, but like 5-10 times worse. So that's why we had to do the whole sound editing, everything. But I may actually have to come in here and cut this out though, because it is like too mushy, too far gone in there. It's disgusting, man. I can't have that sitting and it's not gonna clean up. So I'm gonna have to cut it out. I don't even know if that's all from like the rack and pinion or something, dude. Cut it right above. You guys see the line of just where it sat and nasty gunk. It's like you can't sit around in that, y'all. It's disgusting. Where's the trash bucket? Brother. Kind of hurt myself a little bit. And I went to go turn on the vacuum for her, and I literally bent my back like this. Like, I didn't bend my knees, I just went to go like, you know, slightly, and that triggered it. We have herniated disc, but it's just like I've been feeling so good in that little, you know. But I don't feel that bad like right now. So I had to slow it down really quick, so it took a little bit longer, but she kept at it, so no progress lost. We got the hybrid racing short shifter on now. Because why not, you know, things are sitting. Why not put something, you know, cooler on to make it even better? So yeah, I'm putting everything back on, and then we got to get the seats on, and then we are good before it ends up starting to rain. So let me just put these cubbies back on really quick, and then I'll get back to you. I'm like gasping for air and stuff. Alrighty, y'all, so that wraps it up with how to take out the carpet in your 04 to 08 Acura TSX. It's really not too hard. It could be a little strenuous with the seats and it being hot and tight spacing. We got it done. We got her done. Oh, yeah. That wasn't fully in. That no good. Alright, so you didn't see that, but yeah, now we got her done. Should be good enough. Now we also have the hybrid racing short shifter in there, so it should be also a nice little touch. So we got the interior back together. Maybe figure out something with the floor for the meantime. So that is it from us two. That is how you take out the interior carpet from your Acura TSX. Shout out to my heart, always helping me and being basically my partner in all these videos and editing these videos. So if you guys didn't know, you know now. Like, comment, help the algorithm, help us get to 10K subscribers at least. Yes. By this year, 10K. That's it. That's all we want. And then we keep growing, obviously. But
that's the goal.
The support is free, y'all. So that's all I'm asking from you guys. With that being said, let me know what you want to see. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys. And yeah, that's it from us. Peace out.
Peace.
Bye.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.